Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to make Samsung Galaxy A15 device look like an iPhone. Well, some users may prefer the design and aesthetics of iOS, the operating system used by iPhones. And then, how to do that on this device? Okay, first thing first, you can download iOS Launcher on the App Store. Okay, and then you can open it. And then you can give iOS Launcher to access any system on your device. Well, after that, here you can select the layout. And then you can activate iPhone style and wait a moment. After that, click OK. And then you can select the iOS Launcher. And then click OK. Well, after that, you can open the application to change the wallpaper on your device. Okay, and then here you can select wallpaper option. And then you can choose the suitable wallpaper for you. Well, and then click OK. Well, that's the tutorial on how to make Samsung Galaxy A15 device look like an iPhone. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.